So first up, we're going to be using the Miracle Waters face wash. You need a damp face, so let's just start with a damp face. So with our face now damp, we're going to take 1 pump of the Miracle Waters face wash. So as you can see, it's like a gel wash. The reason why I've done it as a gel wash is that sometimes when you have spots on your skin, it can feel very uncomfortable going over something that feels quite harsh on the skin. So this feels super soft. It has a silky texture, so it literally just glides over your skin. Try not to waste any water. This is packed with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which help clean the skin, unclog any debris. Specifically, this product has benzoin in it. It's great for soothing cracked and inflamed skin. So if you're someone who's quite spot prone and sometimes gets spots at different parts of the month sometimes as well, this is a great routine just to always have to maintain healthy and clear skin. Guys, please get your forehead. It's important. And you just want to go around. And now we're just going to rinse this off. And what you'll instantly notice after washing this off, there's like a deep tingling sensation while you're using this, and afterwards your face feels super clean, feels super smooth, but we're not even done there yet. Next up, we have the clearing face cream. And with the clearing face cream, a tiny bit literally goes a long way. This is all I use and what I recommend people to use. The clearing face cream is for all skin types because it actually focuses on balancing your skin. So whether you have oily skin, some of the ingredients in this remedy, such as jojoba, actually mimics the natural sebum in your skin. So it won't cause you to break out. And what that will actually do is tell your skin that your face is sufficiently moisturized and your skin will stop pushing more oil towards your face so it can feel sufficiently moisturized. This is how much you need. I just take a tiny bit in my hand, and then you want to go just over here, and then once you've got it everywhere in your face, you just want to slowly start to pat it in. And so what the clearing face cream does, as its name says, it helps clear your skin. So it gives you much brighter, healthier looking skin and really targets those areas of like hyperpigmentation, scarring, and blemishes. Thank you for listening. I hope you love your results from the essentials. I'd also love to see your skin journey using this kit, so please share by visiting www.franksremedies.com.